Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Ozito Hedge trimmer 550 watts. So this is a wire hedge trimmer, so we need to plug it into a cable. It has a 3 years warranty. So let's take a look what is inside this box. Okay, so I have opened up the box and inside is this hedge trimmer. This is a relatively low budget hedge trimmer, only costs around 80 Australian dollars. So it's got a very short cable right here, so we need to plug into an extension cable to use it. There is an instruction manual right here, which you can go through it. Now this is fairly loud. It has a 102 decibel, so it's best if we cover our ear while using this. And here it's got a laser cut blade, and the device is dual-handed safety switch. And so let's take a look at this. Okay, so here are the blade. Here you can listen to see how loud it is. Quite sharp actually. For the price of $80, it does an excellent job. It is a little bit loud, but it works really well. So yeah, so this is the tree that I need to trim down. So let's see how long does it take to trim this hedge back to a smaller shape. Okay, so after a quick trim, this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's the Ozito Hedge trimmer. Thank you for watching.